Money coming, this is money coming, this is money coming to me frequently. Money coming in the being with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming, this is money coming, this is money coming to me always. Money coming in all day. Money coming in all day. Money coming, this is money coming, this is money coming to me frequently. Money coming in the being with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming, this is money coming, this is money coming to me easily. Money coming in immediately. Money coming in repeatedly. Money coming, this is money coming, this is money coming to me frequently. Money coming in the being with me. Money coming in secretly. Money coming, this is money coming in money. Welcome. I think we are in day 1 of Creator Cash Camp. If you're watching, you're already doing what most people won't. You are showing up to build something real with your gifts, your passion. This isn't about making cute content and hoping that it sticks. This is about creating value, making money, and building an aligned brand that lets you live fully. But before we build the offer, the funnel, the plan, the program, the merchandise, we have to build something else first. Belief. Put belief in the chat if you can hear me clearly. A lot of creators want to skip that part, the mindset part, because it feels like something extra. But let me tell you something. If your belief system is wobbly, your business will wobble right along with it. No one wants to hear it, but strategy follows belief, not the other way around. If you don't believe people will pay you, you are going to undercharge. If you don't believe your voice matters, you'll stay silent. And if you don't believe your content creates value, you'll keep giving it all away for free and call it consistency. Limiting money beliefs create invisible income ceilings. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have or how pretty your face is. If you subconsciously feel guilty charging for your gifts, you're going to repel payment with your energy before you ever send the link. Cash App, PayPal, Stripe. Your content cannot out-earn your confidence. Confidence? Any confidence in the chat? Are you with me? If your belief says no, your audience will too. People can feel it. Your energy does not lie. You can say all the things right. Follow the trends. Post every single day. Todos los días. Tous les jours. But if your internal vibe is, oh, I hope someone believes in me, your audience will respond with the same hesitation. That's why we reset the mind first. Before we even market a product, we have to embody the identity of a paid creator. I'm a businessman. Call it out, the thought patterns you've been entertaining, like unwanted house guests, living rent-free. I got some of the greatest hits from the Broke Creator soundtrack. No one will pay me for this. I need more subscribers. I got to get to 5,000 subscribers before I make any money. I'm not an expert. I'm just starting. It's too late. Everybody's doing this. I can't sell. I am so bad at marketing. I'm just going to share value and hope it pays off. Let's give it a moment of silence for the unmonetized reels. These aren't truths. They're rehearsed thoughts, stories, old programming. And guess what? Programming can be updated. You don't have to believe those thoughts just because they showed up. You get to choose your beliefs. Rewrite the script. Go from I'm not an expert, to I'm experienced enough to help someone. No one will buy this. Flip it. I only need one client to say yes. Just one. I hate selling. No, selling is an act of service. If my offer helps, it deserves to be shared. Every time you catch yourself in a spiral of doubt, use this. I'm telling myself, I know. I choose. I am. High vibrations only. No, I'm the high vibe coach. You know it. This is a fake positivity. This is strategic rewiring because your inner narrative becomes your outer income. Let me say that again. Your inner narrative, it becomes your outer income. If you want income today, put it in the chat. Give me some dollar signs right now. I want you to write your money mantra. You heard it. Not something cute for Instagram, but something that realigns you every time imposter syndrome knocks on your door. Here's some inspiration. I believe I can earn by being myself. My voice is valuable. My work is worthy. People are already looking for what I offer. Make it short, make it strong. Write it in your notes app, put it on your bathroom mirror, say it before you go live, before you walk out of the house. Getting in the car, say it. I believe I can earn by being myself. My voice is valuable. My work is worthy. Repita, por favor, todos los días, all day long if you need to. Because when you change the story in your head, you change the actions that you take. And when you change your actions, you change your outcomes. When you change your actions, you change your outcomes. I want you to do that before we move into any strategy. Write it. Write your money mantra. Keep it visible. Repeat it daily. That means before you go live, before you post, before you even send the pitch, ask this question. How would the paid version of me show up today? Would they hesitate? Would they apologize for their prices? Would they hide behind perfectionism? No. The paid version of you is already in the room. You just need to start listening to that voice. That's the foundation. That is it. You are no longer allowed to shrink your mindset and then wonder why your business doesn't grow. We've cleared the clutter. Now it is time to get clear on your niche and your offer, the thing that people will actually pay for. In our next lesson, we are going to define your niche, shape your transformation, and start building a paid offer with purpose. I want you to check your email for your worksheet, journal your mantra, and replay this lesson if it hit a nerve. You probably needed it. I will see you in the next session. When you change your actions, you change your outcome. I'll say that again for the people in the back. Your inner narrative becomes your outer income. I'm going to make some t-shirts for y'all. Go ahead and sign up for the Creator Cash Camp. The description has the link. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.